Virat Kohli and Babar Azam being compared is not a new thing, but Babar speaks about being compared to Virat Kohli. What has he said? I will tell you. Uske baad dekhenge, will overseas players be having a salary cut if they're unable to make it for the second leg of the IPL? I will give you all those details. Aur sabse ant mein dekhenge, what does Virat Kohli have to say about the World Test Championship final in terms of many people actually saying that New Zealand might have an upper edge? He gives his answer and I will tell you all of that only in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. Before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do not wait for anything and hit that button quickly. And without wasting time, let's get into this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Well, the Virat Kohli versus Babar Azam sort of comparison is not a new thing. It's been a discussion since many years, especially with the fact that they have this kind of similar kind of playing style, and everybody of course has their own opinion as to who is the better player. Well, some believe it's Virat Kohli, some say it's Babar Azam, and the discussion of course keeps continuing. But Pakistan skipper Babar Azam has spoken about this comparison and he's gone on to say a couple of things about it. What has he said? I will tell you. Now, Babar said, Virat Kohli is one of the best players in the world. He has performed everywhere and in big matches. When people compare us, I don't feel pressure. I feel proud because they're comparing me with such a big player. Personally, I don't think there should be comparison, but people do that and I feel happy. So my aim is to perform the way he does and help my team win matches and make Pakistan proud. Well, that's a fantastic way of seeing it, because some people can get a little insecure when they're compared to, whether it's other cricketers or just in general having that scrutiny all the time. But the fact that, Babar has acknowledged that being compared to a player like Virat Kohli makes him really happy and proud, and he says that he wants to, ensure that he takes that responsibility of winning bigger matches for Pakistan is a definitely great way of looking at it. But what do you all think about this particular statement that Babar has given? Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, on one hand, of course, everybody's super excited. You're excited. I'm excited that the IPL is going to resume very soon. Before we know it, we're going to be back in all that action once again. But on the other hand, the sad news, of course, is the fact that many overseas players will not be able to commit to the second leg of the IPL, of course, because of a very tight national calendar. Now, on one hand, they are committed to playing for their countries, but on the other hand, this decision of not being a part of the second leg of the IPL could cost them very dearly in terms of the money. Now, the BCCI official has confirmed this particular part where, officials will be having that opportunity, or rather franchises will be getting that decision of cutting the salary of overseas players. What is this BCCI official said? I will tell you. Now, in that statement, the BCCI official said, yes, it is correct. In case they, that is the foreign players, can't make it to UAE for IPL, franchises will be within their right to cut their salaries and pay them only on a pro rata basis. The official cleared the fact that when a player is bought during an auction, the bid at which he is roped in becomes the salary of the player. Now, of course, that is excluding taxes. Now, this is in terms of, the monetary kind of situation, because at the end of the day, it is a business, so they would have to look at it that way. But you let me know in the comment section below which overseas players not participating in the IPL will make a huge difference. I want to know all your answers, so tell me that in the comment section below. Well, India and New Zealand are all set to lock horns in England for that World Test Championship final beginning on June 18th. On one hand, of course, before they left, they had that press conference earlier last evening where Indian skipper Virat Kohli as well as the head coach Ravi Shastri did address a lot of questions. One question that came to Virat Kohli in particular was the fact that does he really think that New Zealand does have an upper hand going into the World Test Championship final? There are several factors for it. One, of course, being that New Zealand is already playing that test series against England. On the other hand, of course, India will have to go through, that quarantine rules. Team India will have to follow all those protocols for COVID, which means that they might not get as much as practice. So what does Kohli really think about this going into the competition? Now, knowing Kohli that he seemed very confident and adamant that if people actually believe that, they shouldn't be boarding the flight in the first place. Now, he's given a further take on that. What has he said? I will tell you. Now, Virat said, don't board the flight if you think New Zealand have an extra edge in the finals. We're going to board that flight knowing that we're at equal terms with New Zealand. In the past, we have landed 3 days prior to the schedule and had a great tour. Conditions are as potent for New Zealand as they are for us. Conditions in Australia should have favored them too. It's about how you look at things. It's all in the head. So So basically, Kohli says it really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's all about everything in here and how you're going to be tackling. And but I want to know from all of you, what do you think about Kohli's statement? I mean, Team India looks very confident. The skipper looks confident going into this competition. Do you think that is going to be resulting into a win for India in the World Test Championship? Give me your answers in the comment section below. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels and of course subscribe to Cricket Tracker if you haven't done so. So every time we come back with a new video, you are updated. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, do not forget to wear your mask when you step out. Stay responsible and be at home. And most importantly, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.